Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be showing y'all how I do my resin first. Then I'm gonna do my keychain for these. So stay tuned for the video. First you will need gloves because it can be a little sticky. I don't like my hands dirty, sticky, no nothing. Then you will need cup, the popsicle stick, and then the pigments. And I'm gonna use this resin, UV resin, because I'm trying to get it to go faster. And you'll need this light, LED light. So yeah, stay tuned. So I had to switch cups. So I'm taking the rest of this resin out of here because it got a crack in it. And I'm trying to scrape every bit of resin out of here, UV resin out of here, because and that's not helping at all. But so I got it in here. Got it in. So now I'm about to put probably about this much in here. See? Probably a little bit more because I want it to be a little dark. Then I'm going to stir it up. How is y'all day today? Sorry, I can't talk right, but hey, sometimes I can, sometimes I can't. But how y'all day today? How's it going, really? Keep stirring it up. So now, have it like this color. So I'm gonna use these lips right here, and I'm gonna use this white resin to put like right here on the teeth part. And make sure it stays right there, because if I don't, it's gonna run off, and I don't want it to run off. Then I'm gonna, like it's doing now. Then I'm gonna take the light and put it on 120 seconds. Stay tuned. So it's done with this light right here. The teeth. You see the teeth. So now I'm about to go in with this and pull it in there. For the lips. And if I don't have enough, I'm gonna have to go back and put some more on there. In there. Scrape it, because I don't got time to be losing no reason. Wasting it. I had to put more in here. So I'm gonna pour some more over in these lips. Not too much. Not too much. So it can and I'm gonna turn. Well, my daughter is gonna turn the light on. Yeah, stay tuned. This is what it looks like when it's hard. So I'm about to flip it on this side so it can be right. And then I'm going to push at 120 seconds again. And then I'll be back. So now I'm taking it back out of here. And it's, oh, this look pretty already. I can see this. Yes. But you can see the white now. Well, it's pearl white. But you can see the white now. But what I'm going to do is flip it back over on this side. Put it back under here. And then push the button again. So it can really get that, I guess, the tack, so it can come all together. Because if when I go to put the drill in there for my thing to stick, I'm going to have to, it's not going to do it because the resin stuff gonna come out of it. Your face. Okay. Like your face. So now I'm about to take it out of here. Excuse me. To let y'all see how it look. And then I'm gonna put it back under there. So see? Ooh, that's pretty. Yes, that is pretty. I like it. But then I'm gonna put it back under here like this so it can do it more better. But I'm gonna put it on 60 seconds. Okay, so I'm done with this. So what I'm gonna do, I always feel around and make sure that it ain't that it's not soft. Feel like it is a little right here. Where that thing go? Oh, that's the way. Now, I think that's the way it is on here. But right here it feels a little soft. So I'm going to put it back under here and put it for 60 minutes. I mean seconds again. And then I have my little screw things that I'm going to stick on the top. And I'm going to be using this little drill. Put this in here, drill it, and put it in there. So I'll be right back. So now that I have it in here, I'm going to take it like, say right here in the middle. Ooh. And drill it. Hopefully it don't go all the way in there like the other one did, and I had to put more resin. Just yep. See, this is what I'm talking about when I said the resin inside of it. The resin comes out. See the hole? And it comes out of there. I'll be back. So I got it in there like this on the side, and I'm gonna put the resin. Well, this stuff. I ain't gonna keep saying that. I'm gonna put this around it so it won't move or go anywhere. Then I'm gonna take it, make sure it's right. Yep. And I'm gonna stick it back under here, like, I'm gonna put it under here like this. And let me turn this around so y'all can see, like this. Hold it up like this, so it can seal the deal. And then I'll be done with that one. Now I might do another one. I don't know. Thinking about doing a rose red one. So yeah. Okay, now see, I got it in there again. And I'm gonna stir this one up. This one gonna be rose red. And then when I get through with it, I ain't gonna do the other one. I'm gonna do 3 of them, but I'm gonna do this color purple and this stink and this together. So going on in there. This the same one I did as the purple one. Ugh. Yep, same one as I did as the purple one, the molding one. And I'm gonna stick it under here. Turn it on 120 seconds. And I'll be back. I'm sorry, I thought I was stuck in the mic, but here goes the rose red one. So I'm gonna take it out of here. And let's see how this one look. Ooh, yeah, see. That's what I be talking about because it's the teeth. And then the resin came out of it. So I'm going to have to stick it back in there. Clean it off and then stick it back in there. So I'll be back. Okay, and this is the other one. The rose red. And then you have the purple one. So what I'm going to do is combine these together. But I'm going to come back to show you these 2 colors together on the other one. Alright, these is what I came up with. All of them is cute to me. These is pretty, gorgeous. Anyways, this is the ones that I came up with the colors. And of course y'all seen these. So, how did I do? You can comment under below. Tell me how I did. But thanks for watching my video. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and comment. And I'm coming out with the keychains that I'm going to do with these colors. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I want to know how I really did on these. What do y'all think? Which one was y'all best lips? I'm doing some more of these soon. But the next video I do is going to be me making my keychains to match the colors with these beads like this. And I'm trying to find them because I love them beads. So I'm trying to find, the rest, the ones. So I see y'all later. Bye.